Lights on, 숨을 삼켜. Hear the crowd, they don't know. This voice, 빛일까, or the shadow in my soul. Mirror says you're a star, but I'm shaking in the dark. Smile on, heart in chains, living two different names. Be wide on the sky, I'm standing on the line. Hero or a monster, tell me which one is mine. When destiny calls my name, I try to run, but it remains. 두려움이 날 삼켜도 I still sing again. I sing even if I break. 금이 가도 I won't fake. Born in darkness, raised by light. This voice is real, this void is light tonight. I cry, a golden cry. 심장이 불타올라. I won't hide, I won't deny. 노래로 싸워, I survive. Hear my voice, I make my choice. Demon, human, star tonight. I inside my life. Perfect word, perfect face, but scars don't fade with grace. Love me now, fear me later. I'm more than what you see on stage. 널 믿어준 이름들, 함께하는 시간들. 이 노래가 끝나도 지키고 싶은 world. Past gone, fate have my feet. Still I stand right here. 도망치지 않아 now. This is me right now. I sing louder than fear. 부서져도 I'm still here. When the dark calls out my name, I answer back in flame. Tonight I cry a golden cry. 심연을 넘어 I won't hide, I won't deny.
This song goes through my head. If I lose my voice tonight, I lose myself inside. 심음보다 아픈 건 노래하지 않는 나. Demon blood, human dream, somewhere in between.
벽이 아닌 문이 돼.
I'll set this world free.
I sing
This is my fate. 숨김없이 shine my way. Every reason I was born in this song is one.
tonight we're wise.
Golden moon.
무너지지 않게.
I won't hide. I won't deny.
노래가
걸 원나야.
lights on.
But I remain.
Echo in the rain.
This voice will stay.
And guard the world again. The air was softer than it used to be, like something holy whispered into me. I walked the streets like they were newly drawn, as if the world was waiting for my dawn. I didn't know change inside my chest, but every breath felt warmer than the rest. The sky looked close, the silence felt away, like fate was bending just to let me breathe. And I don't know your name, but I can feel you near, like a song I haven't heard, but somehow I always feel. Oh, and tasted like a brand new vow. Like every Sunday turned into now. I watched the sun fall on a stranger's face and wondered if that stranger held my place. The world was loud, but I was calm within. I never found a door to let me in. I swear the wind pronounced a hidden truth, that I was standing at the edge of ease. And I don't know your eyes, but I can feel their glow, like a fire behind a wall that's begging me to go. On the first day, I felt it coming, like the heartbeat in the line. On the first day, my hands were shaking, but the future felt so right. I didn't see you, I didn't touch you. Still know you find your way. Something started, something changed on the first day. Maybe it's not magic, maybe it's just time, but it felt like heaven crossed the line. If tomorrow breaks me, I'll still say I knew there was a moment when the world turned blue. On the first day, I got to find the dream that couldn't hide, the dream that couldn't hide. On the first day, something burned there, soul burned, toy of mine. I didn't see you, I didn't touch you, still I know you find your way. I remember how I changed on the first day. On the first day, I became someone brave. In the hush before the sunrise, I wandered through the amber glow, tracing echoes of the places where the silent wild things roam. And I hold the mirror lightly, watching shadows bend and weave. There's a distant whisper calling, telling me I'm not alone. I feel the pulse beneath the surface, heartbeat drifting, lost in neon skies. Chasing moments, we keep believing in the constellations that never lie. Sweet illusions in the midnight air, I'm reaching out to find you there. Across the oceans of our lonely hearts, we'll meet somewhere. Sweet illusions in the neon haze, we'll dance until the dawn's first blaze. And when the world is wide awake, our secret will remain. Golden rooftop, silent stairwell, footprints linger where we've been. City lights and distant whispers tell of all the dreams unseen. And we ride the waves of restless longing, every turn a brand new chance. When we breathe together in the darkness, we ignite the night's romance. I feel the pulse beneath the surface, heartbeat drifting, lost in neon skies. Chasing moments, we keep believing in the constellations that never lie. Sweet illusions in the midnight air, I'm to hush, you'll remember how we ran hand in hand through city crush. Feet on pavement, hearts unplanned. When the silences surround, you hear the music in your soul. And though the dreams may shift and bend, the spark you found will never go. Sweet illusions in the midnight air. I'm reaching out to find you there. Across the oceans of lonely hearts, we'll meet somewhere. Sweet illusions in the neon haze. We'll dance until the dawn's first blaze. And when the world is wide awake, our secret will remain. Sweet illusions in the midnight air. I'm reaching out to find you there. And though the night may drift away, our light will still remain. Met you by the elevator, grinning like a movie star. Told me you're a troublemaker, singing with your old guitar. Neighbors knocking, but we don't care. Dancing circles in the midnight air. 'Cause baby, we're sworn on the rooftop, laughing, singing, can't ever stop. Life's a song above the block, sweet on the rooftop. Pizza boxes, neon lights, records spinning all the nights. Pajamas on, but feeling grand. Jazz hands and a marching band. Neighbors knocking, but we don't care. Dancing circles in the midnight air. 'Cause baby, we're sweet on the rooftop, laughing, singing, can't ever stop. Life's a song above the block, sweet on the rooftop. City lights below our feet, every moment tastes so sweet. You and me, a perfect beat. We're sweat on the rooftop, laughing, singing, can't ever stop. Life's a song above the block,